Welcome back, everyone. I am your host, Byron Keith, and this is Excel Radio, where we are looking to excel the lives of our listeners through enhanced thinking and information. Today is going to conclude our discussion on spending time. Now, remember, this is a quote that I brought up in a previous episode where Edward Green Hubbard stated, "Character is the result of two things: mental attitude and the way we spend our time." And in the first episode, I talked about how we should be organizing ourselves and doing research, given the times right now. And in the second episode, I talked about how we should be educating our youth, given the changes in the way that education has been distributed. And today, I want to make a quick tip on health and wellness. Now, Excel Radio focuses on family, mainly the parents, because they are the leaders of the family, and every family needs the parents to remain alive. So I want to encourage all of the parents to take advantage of their fitness goals, take advantage of the social media challenges. We see the push-up challenge is one of the common ones today. I just want to encourage everyone to be disciplined in their fitness goals. Maintain health and wellness. I am your host, Byron Keith, signing off.